We've got a steering wheel that is crooked. Right there, you can kind of see, yep, they're straight. We're about 45 degrees clockwise, so we're gonna try to get it counterclockwise. This is how you do that. Pull here, pull there. It comes up, and then you pull here and push the cab up. Cab is up, and you want to grab this safety lock, and you put it in here, and make sure that tab is down so that won't slide out and crush you. Right, and here is what I'm going to attempt to turn 45 degrees counterclockwise to try to get the steering wheel straight. I've attempted to make some marks and did a very bad job at it. That is straight as of where it is right now, and here is about 45 degrees counterclockwise if I was to make that straight, pull that over. So I'm going to attempt to get this. This is a 12 millimeter, and do that counterclockwise. Try to pop this up a bit, rotate it, and push it back down, then tighten that, and we will see what we have. Got that all the way out, and if you push straight up, it's not going to come out. You have to kind of pull towards yourself and push up and get those separated, get that separated from the splines, and then we'll go ahead and turn it and put it back down. I got it off, and as you can see, it is locked. It won't go left or right. It's just resting on there. It's not actually in there. So we've got to get the key in and then rotate the wheel, the steering wheel. I forgot about that because I'm an idiot. So that's what I'm going to do now. Be careful with this when the cab is open like this. Go ahead and get the key in there, and then rotate the wheel so it's straight. As you can see right now, it's just stuck. As you can kind of see, we got it almost perfectly straight, and it is perfectly straight here. Of course, the cab is not down, so you can't see with that, but that was not fun. I really had to wiggle that. This thing weighs almost nothing, so it's not going to fall in your hand or crush you at all, but still be careful. You don't want your finger to get stuck in there, so don't get your fingers in there. And then you lift towards yourself and up, and then you rotate a little bit and set it on there, and then look in the cab and see if it's lined up perfectly. It may not be exactly perfect because the splines, I mean, you're going to get notches on them because that's what they are. And then you set them down, and hopefully you get it as straight as you can. Then go ahead and get that 12 millimeter back in. Make sure this is seated all the way down. There is a groove that runs all the way around that. In here it will clamp down once this is really tight. Then go ahead and get it together, and that should really be it. And if this video helped, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I am out of breath for absolutely no reason. Okay, have a good day. Drive safe. Bye.